In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log out of Shopify admin on a desktop. Whether you're managing your store or taking a break from work, knowing how to securely log out of your Shopify account is crucial. This not only helps keep your account secure, but also prevents unauthorized access to sensitive information. So, let's get started with these simple steps. First, navigate to your Shopify admin on your desktop. You'll be looking for your store name, which is conveniently located in the top right corner of the screen. Once you've identified your store name, go ahead and give it a click. This will open a drop-down menu with several options related to your account and store settings. Among these options, you'll see an option labeled Log Out. Selecting Log Out is your next step in this process, and it will effectively end your current session on Shopify. Clicking this option serves as a safeguard that ensures no one else who might use your computer can access your Shopify admin without logging back in. It's important to note that sometimes technical issues can arise and you might not see the Log Out option available in this drop-down menu. If this happens, there are a couple of possibilities to consider. Firstly, your session may have already timed out due to inactivity, in which case you'll be automatically logged out. This is a standard security measure that protects your account after a period of not using it. Alternatively, Shopify might have gone through a user interface change, and the layout might look a little different than what we've described. If neither of these seems to be the issue, there's a good chance that the problem lies with your browser. Over time, browsers can accumulate cookies and cache data that may cause glitches in how websites are displayed and operated. To troubleshoot this, try clearing your browser's cookies. Each browser has a slightly different method to do this, but you can usually find it under the Settings or Privacy section of your browser menu. Once the cookies are cleared, reload the admin page and try accessing the drop-down menu again. You should be able to see the Log Out option and successfully log out this time. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to managing your Shopify account with confidence. Remember, logging out when you're finished using your admin access is a simple yet effective step to ensuring your store's security. Thanks for watching, and take care with your account safety.